Look what I'm doing today. I took this gun and I'm hitting the screws to show you. You see the thermal insulation nails here. Stud. This is carbon steel and this is stainless steel. It can also hit aluminum nails. They have different specifications and sizes. Let's see what machine I'm using. Come here. That's the one I use. Tribet SW8000 lithium battery stud welding machine. You can hit studs. It can support double person and double gun rotating welding. USB charging is possible. It supports 5 minutes without automatic sleep. So let's get started. Hit a few carbon steel nails first. See how I do it? Be careful, it's a bit loud. It's a little loud, don't scare you. This is a stainless steel nail. You can also weld aluminum nails. Let's change this head to hit the thermal insulation nails. Let's hit this thermal insulation nail now.